Indian education needs radical reforms. We just now read that this year as many as 7,17,000 Indian college going students have travelled abroad to the West, USA and UK for their higher education. Very nice, I thought. But on second thoughts, I thought this is going to create more problems in the long run for the Indian society and economy. India was once historically world's greatest economic power, and there are scholars like Professor Sheldon Pollock and Akil Bilgrami today are writing to say, to recall India's great contribution to the world's economic productivity. In 1600, it is estimated to have possessed up to a quarter of the world's production capacity, and India's imperial capital Delhi drew lots of ambassadors to the court, from the court of King James I and that of the Emperor of Thailand, today's Thailand. So, such a great country that Indian students, youngsters must realize we have got, and for education we have continued to migrate to the West, and this cannot go on. Already we read this year the foreign going students don't find easy to get their internship jobs. So how long this can go on? Any educationist had asked this question. When I open the daily newspapers, I see first 3 or 4 pages, full page advertisements asking for students to join 1 or 2 of these coaching institutions. Already we have read in the newspapers that one of the biggest $1 billion education tech company had gone into trouble because there is no demand. And unfortunately, in some states like Tamil Nadu, we have scores of private institutions. By alas, they call themselves private universities. How audacious it is to imagine whether these people are fit enough, qualified to open private universities. At the same time, we need foreign talent. We need interchange of talents from good universities of the world with Indian universities. This subject calls for greater debate and intensive discussion and analysis. This can't be discussed in a video like this, but I want to warn and draw attention the need for education reform. We cannot be postponing this debate for long, and my humble submission here is we need a radical philosophy so that most of the Indian students need not migrate for their degrees and employment, and international employment scenario is not within our control. So we have to debate how the students coming out of universities are going to employ themselves, and we have to self-employ, we have to create self-employment, we have to create new courses so that we get jobs locally and in other countries. Thank you.